Hello! Today we're going to be talking with Sierra about a boy she knows named Diego. So, Sierra, who is Diego?
Well, my older sister, about a year ago, she went to Mexico to teach Mexican students there, and she told her students that she had a younger sister, and immediately they were overjoyed and they wanted to write a bunch of letters to me. And I found Diego's letters to be one of the funniest and one of the sweetest.
So can you directly quote or tell us about Diego's letters?
Yes, so in one of my letters to him, I mentioned that I like animals. So in one of the letters he wrote to me, it was like he asked about 5 different questions about animals, like what you like animals, what you feed your animals, what animals you have, what you like animals, animals you have, and things like that. He asked me if I liked movies, spelled Muve, and if I had a brother, spelled Broder. But overall, I just found his letters to be very sweet and very funny, and I laugh over them quite frequently.
All right, that sounds really fun. Seems like that's all the time we have. Thank you for watching.